Well, today I am going to be repairing my Kobalt Quiet Tech 2-gallon air compressor. The tool pressure regulator system here has been leaking from underneath here, and so I had called Kobalt customer service, which if you look on the tank somewhere or on the unit itself, it should have the phone number, model number, and all the stuff you'll need. They sent me a whole new pressure regulator system here, and no questions asked, and it was here in about a week. So I'm gonna fire on the compressor as is and show you what it's doing before I open it up and get going on it. Well, I don't know if you can hear this or not, but underneath this shroud, where it connects to the pressure regulator itself, the tool pressure regulator, which is a knob that spins to add or subtracts your tool pressure for the tools. So you can feel it underneath here. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but I only have my tool pressure set at 90, and obviously it kicked off when it went to 120 for the maximum tank pressure. So it is leaking under here, and I'm going to start opening this up now. Here's some of the basic tools that I believe you're going to need to do this project, and that would be a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm probably going to use a screw gun here, 9/16 open end wrench, a number 6 Allen, and some Teflon tape for the plumbing. The first step is going to be taking out these 6 screws here, but do make sure that obviously it's unplugged and there's no air. I always open up this valve here to make sure there's no air anywhere in there, just because. So I'm gonna take this shroud off and I will get back to you. Okay, I got the shroud off and so now we just have the pressure regulator itself. I'm going to first start by this back main line here that goes to the pressure regulator itself, just so I can start taking off all the other implements a little bit easier without it attached here. So I will start with this one, and I'm just going to take off everything else, all the way from the valve release, both gauges, the quick connect, and there is actually the plug over here, which is for the number 6 Allen. So now that I got all that off and apart, I did have to use a crescent wrench for the to take off the quick connect fitting here. It might be a 7/8, I don't know. I don't have a 7/8 open end right now, so I just used a crescent. But I did take everything off. Everything's off of this old part here. I'm going to continue now by making sure that I use like a wire brush and get all this residual goop that they put in for their sealant. I'm using Teflon, but I gotta clean all these guys up and start actually putting them on this new one the same way that they were. So I'll be back. Well, here it is, all put back together. I plugged it in. Tank pressure is full. My tool pressure I usually set at 90 for the tools that I use, and no leaks. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you very much.